Inzamamul Haq versus Sachin Tendulkar full comparison video. Inzamamul Haq date of birth March 3, 1970. Sachin Tendulkar date of birth April 24, 1973. Inzamamul Haq age 55 years. Sachin Tendulkar age 52 years. Inzamamul Haq role best man. Sachin Tendulkar role best man. Inzamamul Haq batting style right-handed. Sachin Tendulkar batting style right-handed. Inzamamul Haq country Pakistan. Sachin Tendulkar country India. Inzamamul Haq test debut 1992 versus England. Sachin Tendulkar test debut 1989 versus Pakistan. Inzamamul Haq ODI debut 1991 versus West Indies. Sachin Tendulkar ODI debut 1989 versus Pakistan. Inzamamul Haq T20 debut 2006 versus England. Sachin Tendulkar T20 debut 2006 versus South Africa. Inzamamul Haq total test matches 120. Sachin Tendulkar total test matches 200. Inzamamul Haq total ODI matches 378. Sachin Tendulkar total ODI matches 463. Inzamamul Haq total T20 matches 1. Sachin Tendulkar total T20 matches 1. Inzamamul Haq total test runs 8,830. Sachin Tendulkar total test runs 15,921. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq total ODI runs 11,739. Sachin Tendulkar total ODI runs 18,426. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq total T20 runs 11. Sachin Tendulkar total T20 runs 10. So 1 points for Inzamamul Haq. Inzamamul Haq test highest runs 329. Sachin Tendulkar test highest runs 248. So 1 points for Inzamamul Haq. Inzamamul Haq ODI highest runs 137. Sachin Tendulkar ODI highest runs 200. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq T20 highest runs 11. Sachin Tendulkar T20 highest runs 10. So 1 points for Inzamamul Haq. Inzamamul Haq test average 49.33. Sachin Tendulkar test average 53.79. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq ODI average 39.53. Sachin Tendulkar ODI average 44.83. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq T20 average 0. Sachin Tendulkar T20 average 10. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq test strike rate 54.03. Sachin Tendulkar test strike rate 54.9. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq ODI strike rate 74.25. Sachin Tendulkar ODI strike rate 86.24. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq T20 strike rate 73.34. Sachin Tendulkar T20 strike rate 83.34. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq total test centuries 25. Sachin Tendulkar total test centuries 51. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq total ODI centuries 10. Sachin Tendulkar total ODI centuries 49. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq total T20 centuries 0. Sachin Tendulkar total T20 centuries 0. Inzamamul Haq test double centuries 2. Sachin Tendulkar test double centuries 6. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq ODI double centuries 0. Sachin Tendulkar ODI double centuries 1. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq test triple centuries 1. Sachin Tendulkar test triple centuries 0. So 1 points for Inzamamul Haq. Inzamamul Haq total test 50s 46. Sachin Tendulkar total test 50s 68. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq ODI total 50s 83. Sachin Tendulkar ODI total 50s 96. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq total test 60s 48. Sachin Tendulkar total test 60s 69. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq total ODI 60s 144. Sachin Tendulkar total ODI 60s 195. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamamul Haq total T20 60s 1. Sachin Tendulkar total T20 60s 0. So 1 points for Inzamamul Haq. Inzamamul Haq total test force 1105. Sachin Tendulkar total test force 20,158. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamam ul Haq total ODI force 971. Sachin Tendulkar total ODI force 20,116. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. Inzamam ul Haq total T20 force 0. Sachin Tendulkar total T20 force 2. So 1 points for Sachin Tendulkar. At the end of the video, Sachin Tendulkar win. Who is the favorite player? Please write name in comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and see more interesting video. Allah Hafiz.